Hotties, it's HOTTIES here, and we're back with another client, Glam, and here is Breanne, my beautiful model, and she has this pink hair, so I just wanted to play with, you know, the pink vibes, okay, y'all? So let's go ahead and get started. I am just pinning her hair back so I won't get any foundation or anything on her hair. So I'm taking a translucent powder and I'm putting all over her brows just to mattify the surface before I start filling it in with the pencil. And I'm using this pencil to just give it some shape and some definition. Her brows are already cleaned up, so I don't really want to make it too dark, but I do want to give it some kind of definition. Going in with some concealer, and I'm taking my MAC 212 brush. I love this brush. It's super thin. It's like very, very easy to use to clean up a brow, so I love this brush. Also, all products will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box for all of the products that I've used throughout this video. Now onto eyeshadow. I am taking my Jlarue, my favorite eyeshadow base, and we're gonna go ahead and put this all over her lids. This shadow base is so good for every eyeshadow look that you will create, so make sure you check out Jlarue Cosmetics and use my coupon code HOTCHIICK to save some moolah, okay? We're gonna go ahead and hop into these Huda Beauty eyeshadows, and I'm pretty much trying to create like this pink look, you know, this pink vibe, because I'm going off her hair once again. So I'm just trying to create this Barbie look. So these are all the shades that I'm using, and we're gonna go ahead and start blending. So going in with this pink shade, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it right into her crease and just blend this shade out. I'm using patting and windshield wiper motion, so just go ahead and add that into your crease and just blend, blend, blend. Now for the lids, I put down some more base, and I'm putting this shimmer pink shade onto the lids before I put the glitter on. So I just wanted to give it a base behind the glitter, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just putting that down, and we're gonna blend out the outer crease with a darker, like reddish, pinkish color, just to give it some kind of definition. So now for glitter, I'm going to go ahead and take some duo lash glue and apply it on her lids. You just need any lash glue that dries clear to do this process. And I'm just going ahead and use my fingers and just placing the glitter strategically where I would like them to be. And of course you want to add a good lash onto the lids. Yeah, I like these lashes. I feel like these lashes pretty much completed the look for me. I wanted something dramatic. Of course, you can use something more on the softer side, but you know me, I love a good glam, so that's what we're gonna do. I decided to add a wing, And to clean up your wing, by the way, if you do make any mistakes or if you just want it a little bit sharper, you could just take some concealer with your brow brush and just go ahead on the outer corners of it. And it's pretty much going to make it stand out even more. So now before foundation, I just want to clean up her skin and hydrate and prime before the foundation goes down. I feel like hydrating and priming and all that good jazz before it always gives the skin a great healthy look underneath the foundation. For the foundation combo, I'm taking the Juvias Place and the Beauty Bakerie foundation. One is darker and one is lighter, so I'm just adding a darker one on the perimeter of her face and the lighter one on the inner of her face. So just to give it some type of balance, and it worked out really good, so it was great. So once you'll see me blend it out, you'll see how both of the colors mesh together really well. Time to highlight. I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer and I'm just going to add it onto her highlighted areas, which is up under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, her chin, her upper lip, and the middle of her forehead. So those are the places that I like to highlight. You can always do, of course, under the cheekbones if you want that chiseled look. So it's all a preference to you, but this is how I like to highlight and contour my clients. For contour, I'm taking this Juvia's Place Thick Foundation. I felt like this shade was really, really good for her skin tone. Like I said, all colors and all products will be listed down below. But I really did love this shade on her. I just applied it on her cheekbones, on her forehead, and on her nose. And remember, with all Juvia's Place products, make sure you use code HOTTIES to save money. All of my coupon codes for different companies will be down below, so make sure you check out that description box. So now that we're all blended, I'm just gonna go ahead and set her highlighted areas with the translucent powder. I'm just setting all the areas, which is under her eye, her chin, her upper lip, her nose, and her forehead. For bronzer, I'm taking this MAC Deep Darkest Mineralized Skin Finish, and this tone really suits her skin tone, so I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much set the contoured areas that we put down with the Juvia's Place foundation stick before, and I'm just going to go ahead and just chisel up that area and give it some type of definition and some bronzy vibes. So for the eye, we chose to do a white liner because with white, it just gives it more like a Barbie doll vibe, and that's what we're going for. So you can either do black liner or any other color, honestly, with this look, but we just chose to stick with this white liner because it really suits the look. I'm gonna go ahead and dust away her bake using this brush. I'm using like a lighter powder. I didn't show it, but I'm using like this yellow banana-ish powder just to dust away the bake. And we're gonna go ahead and brighten up her inner tear ducts with the same shimmery shade we used earlier on her lids. For blush, we're going to take this nice pink Mauve shade. It's not too bright, but it gives it that same pink vibe that we're still going for. So pretty much this whole look is going to be like monochromatic. And I love the way this blush looked on her cheekbones. I'm just pretty much using it on her apples and her cheeks, and I'm blending it up into the hairline. After all of the powders that we used earlier, you always want to take a setting spray to diffuse that powdery look. We want it to be more skin-like. Even though it's still a beat, we still don't want that powdery look. So go ahead and spray, spray, spray. And now on to highlight. We're going to go ahead and just take this Huda Beauty palette, and I'm taking the shade Fiji and applying it right onto her cheekbones. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line her lips out with this brown liner from Morphe. And the combo that I chose was this B. Simone Beauty Gloss and this Colored Rain lipstick. And we're just gonna go ahead and line out really, really good. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick, then the gloss, just to give it a more pouty look. I love a good glossy lip, so y'all already know that by now. But if you are a matte girl, you can go ahead and leave it matte. It's all up to you and how you like to wear your lipstick. And here's the completed look. This look is everything. I love this look. It's so pretty, so Barbie, so girly. You get what I'm saying? So thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.